And so our work is really about making sure that we have strategic partnerships that allow students to dream and have that experience. So today is about a celebration. Today is really about conversation. And today is really about appreciating the partnerships that we have with some of our partners that help that dream become a reality. Bosch is one of those partners, and we're really happy to have that relationship with them today.
It is a great day when we can all come together, our business partners, our Board of Education members, our educators, and our guests, to witness and to discuss some of the exciting partnerships and initiatives that are taking place here in Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools. And of course, we're here today to celebrate our decade-long partnership with Bosch Rexroth and the rebranding of the Advanced Manufacturing and Technology Center. So we're fortunate to count Bosch Rexroth among the 700 companies that have partnered with Olympic since 2006, volunteering 32,000 hours and donating more than $21 million. This joint effort ensures that our students are college and career ready.
We're so appreciative of the partnership with Bosch Rexroth and our amazing CTE staff and our principal that continues to build innovative and become trendsetters for across the district to build opportunities for students, because we want students to be prepared whether they're going to a 4-year, 2-year, or to the workforce. And these partnerships are those types of partnerships that afford students those opportunities.
It's really our vision to bring forward a manufacturing environment that is fully connected and flexible in every imaginable way. When you think about it, the only thing that's fixed in this future factory is the 4 walls and the ceiling. Everything else is movable. That's why it's important to help students see the entire picture of all types of opportunities that are available when you set a solid foundation. My message to the students here today is to take notice of every opportunity to shift gears as you're going through your journey. Make learning a lifelong journey. Work with new people from diverse backgrounds and diverse perspectives, because you're going to gather so much in your toolkit from doing that. And I would also say, embrace technology shifts. In terms of the Advanced Manufacturing and Technology Center, STEM support, Activities of FIRST Robotics is a K-12 business strategic partnership and is revolutionary in education because it ignites curiosity and opens doors for students earlier than ever before, that ultimately leads to the expansion of local talent pool. This is really, really important. As a business leader, one of our biggest challenges right now is finding talent to bring into our organization, young talent. And so what you guys are doing here is critically important. And we're so happy to be a part of it and so happy to support it. And I tell you, keep doing what you're doing, because businesses need the products that you guys are producing and the people that you're putting out.